Okay guys, this is Mike. Let's have a quick update together about gold. Actually, I'm going to show you why the price about 2,930 I have got in here is really important for me. I've been talking about this price actually for a long time. Now I'm going to show you another reason I have got in here. Look at this trend line, or actually this channel I have got in here. This rising channel actually is working as a support and resistance. It used to work as a very strong support before and work as a resistance, and as you can see in October we had a top on gold, and look at in here we reached to about this zone, actually this red zone we have got in here, and we got a big rejection to the downside for gold. And now look at the price of gold again. Let's see what do we have in here. Gold actually has reached to about this zone again. The price about 2,930 in my opinion is going to be the all-time high for gold. This zone is really important. As you can see here, what do we have in here? We have got a very strong zone area for gold. Now the top of that actually is going to be about 2,930. First in October, gold reached to about this area. We had a big rejection on weekly candles. Now actually is rising again. The price of gold is reaching to about this area. Do you remember when I told you about this trend line I have got in here? In the previous videos I did mention this one. This trend line used to work as a very strong support and actually work as a resistance in here as well. And if we continue this trend line we have got in here, it gives us the price about 2,930. That is going to be a very strong resistance for gold in my opinion. If we go back on the daily time frame, and if we check actually gold on weekly time frame as well, I did tell you we are going to have a bearish divergence. As you can see, the price of gold made a new all-time high, and from 2,780 to about, and now is about a 2,850. But the RSI on weekly time frame made a lower high. That means it gives us actually a bearish divergence on weekly time frame as well. If we check the gold price on 4-hour time frame, it looks like now actually just remove this one. It looks like now actually the trend line got broken on 4-hour and actually 1-hour time frame. The trend line got broken. Maybe we are going to see correction again to about this price, to about 2,800, which is the previous resistance. Now used maybe work as a support, and after that we are going to see another rise to the upside from gold. And on 4-hour and daily time frame gives us the new all-time high for gold. But on weekly time frame, because we have got a bearish divergence, I'm expecting gold to have a big rejection to the downside. Now if we check actually where the price of gold is, it is at the we have got the February pivot at this area, and this green dots actually is the first resistance for February for the price of gold, and the second resistance R2 is at this price, about 2,946. Even when we use actually pivot for February, it gives us the price, the pivot is 2,746, but actually R2 is about this price, about at 2,930. There are few things. We have got multi-resistance. We have got multi-resistance actually about this area, about 2,920 to 2,940, 50 actually is going to be a very strong resistance in my opinion for gold. And after gold reaches to about this area, I'm expecting a very big rejection to the downside. I think that that is going to be the all-time high for gold in my opinion. That was all from me for today guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that one, and see you guys in the next video.